Soil investigation plays a crucial role in the planning and design of any construction project. It involves the exploration and analysis of the properties of soil and rock in a specific area to determine their suitability for construction. In the case of Gurgaon Sector 29, a soil investigation is essential to assess the soil conditions and provide valuable insights for the design and construction of any infrastructure or building project in that area. Gurgaon Sector 29, located in the city of Gurgaon, is a rapidly developing area with a growing number of commercial and residential projects. Conducting a soil investigation in this sector is of utmost importance to ensure the safe and reliable construction of buildings and infrastructure. By analyzing the soil properties, including its composition, density, and moisture content, engineers can make informed decisions regarding the design and foundation of structures. The soil investigation process typically involves drilling boreholes in selected locations within the site. These boreholes are then used to extract soil samples that are analyzed in laboratories to determine their physical and mechanical properties. The findings from these investigations help engineers understand the bearing capacity of the soil, its compaction characteristics, and its response to external loads. This information is crucial for designing stable foundations that can withstand the anticipated loads and environmental conditions. In addition to assessing the soil's physical properties, a soil investigation also evaluates its chemical composition. This is important to identify any potential risks associated with contaminants present in the soil. By analyzing the soil samples for pollutants or harmful substances, engineers can take appropriate measures to mitigate any adverse effects on the environment or human health during construction. Any construction project's planning and design depend heavily on the results of a soil investigation. It entails investigating and evaluating the characteristics of the soil and rock in a particular region to ascertain whether they are suitable for construction. To evaluate the soil conditions and give useful information for the design and construction of any infrastructure or building project in Gurgaon Sector 29, a soil study is necessary. Gurgaon Sector 29 is a fast-emerging neighborhood in the city of Gurgaon with an increasing number of commercial and residential complexes. To ensure the secure and reliable construction of structures and infrastructure, it is crucial to conduct a soil analysis in this field. The qualities of the soil, such as its composition, density, and moisture content, can be examined in order for engineers to make educated decisions on the foundation and design of structures. Borehole drilling often takes place throughout the soil exploration procedure at specific sites. The soil samples taken from these boreholes are then examined in labs to ascertain their mechanical and physical characteristics. Engineers can better grasp the soil's bearing capacity, compaction characteristics, and reactivity to external loads, thanks to the results of these experiments. Designing solid foundations